grew in the school and what he is today, how?
So, my name is Nagesh Rao. I'm not going to stand on the stage. I'm a normal student, so don't worry about it. I passed out in the 2009 batch. It was very different from what you guys are currently experiencing. But so I'm assuming you guys are all in 10th, right? So that's also changed. We didn't have 2 semesters and all that, but yeah. So JRS was one of the best experiences. Education you can get anywhere you want. There are thousands of good schools that are there in India. India is the center of knowledge. But to find something as the life lessons that I was taught in JRS were innumerable. I think you people are learning them with every breath, with every day that you are here in JRS. You have friends, you're in 10, the teenagers, you undergo so many changes. You have to have balanced studies, you have to look out for each other, but at the same time, you have to learn how to care and live this life. And such lessons, I was honored and I was really grateful that I had very good teachers like Ajanta ma'am and Raghunath sir and Lakshmi ma'am. They were there the entire way, helping us. And you guys have a good opportunity, you have a good year, it's 10th, you'll have so much fun, and JIRS has changed me in so many ways. I learned so much about life, and you will learn, you'll have so much fun also. And is there anything else? Oh yeah. When I was in JIRS, I used to play the tabla, I used to play basketball. Anybody on the basketball team here? Nice. Both, sir, huh?
Yeah.
Nice, okay.
I would like to add one thing. I think when he was in 9th, when he was in 10th, I think he was the first batch for the Kala Parishad to start their exams here in our school. And I still remember he had got the standing ovation from the external who had come to cover him. He used to get loved to get punished in the music room so that he could just play tabla, leave him with tabla and no food, no air, he's fine with it.
If you get an opportunity to learn tabla from Agni sir, there's nobody in the world who can teach you tabla like the way he does. He has taught me tabla and I've not learned from anybody else after that. I'm serious. And what else? Yeah.
Presently
I'm working in Cognizant. I'm an IT engineer. Like a lot of people in India, but I'm planning on pursuing my MS. I'm going to the States in August. So I just have like one small thing to tell you guys, and that is you're in a very fragile stage of your life. You can make it or break it. These teachers, they're going to come and go. Everyone's going to come and go. Your parents are going to come and go. Everyone's going to come and go. It's your life and you are the one who is going to make it or break it. And you can choose what you do with it. You want to sit in 10th standard and have fun and make your... I'm sorry, I'm going to be very frank, but you want to make your girlfriends and have fun, fall in love, it's fine. But if you're going to affect your future in that, it's going to be on you. I know people who are sitting here at 23 years old and who are yet to figure out life. And you guys are 10 and probably you still have to figure out life, right? So think about it. I'm not saying take life seriously, have fun. There's a lot of fun to have over here, but at the same time know that you are at this stage of life where you can make it or break it. And this entire life, till whenever you're going to live it, you can make it and you only can break it. No one else is responsible, is capable of even changing your course of life by a centimeter. If you want to make your life, if you want to become a scientist today, you can do it. And people studying in JIRS will not have a dearth of wealth. So you don't have to worry. I know people who have left and thrown away their dreams to support their families. You don't have to make that choice. So don't worry about it, just have fun and all the best for your future.